Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I have a special treat for you guys. I'm going to show you how to make seafood lasagna. Yes, seafood lasagna. So we're going to be using some large size shrimp and some crab meat. This is real crab meat, it says, and this is the can here. I paid $12.99 for this can. Let me turn it so you can see it. There you go. Here we go. Okay, and I have shrimp. This is the size of the shrimp. So you see it's the large size. Okay. Alright, I already seasoned the shrimp. We're going to saute that in a little olive oil in the frying pan, and we're going to get started making our seafood lasagna. My goodness, with my homemade cheese sauce. You can't miss this one. Okay, let me adjust the camera. Hit the thumbs up now. You know you're going to like it, okay? Share the video. Remember, I'm trying to get to over 1 million subscribers and over 1 million people to watch my fried cabbage video. It's something that I think that all the kids and everybody would enjoy. I want this to go all over the world, guys. So you guys are going to do it with me all over the world, and I'm dependent on you because you know I can't do nothing without you, okay? Alright, let me adjust the camera. Okay guys, so this is my shrimp. I bought a big bag of shrimp that I paid $14 for, and this is half the bag. So I think this would be around maybe 30 shrimp or more. Now I want to pour out my crab meat so we can see. And this, by the way, is 1 pound of crab meat. Wow, that's a lot. £1. How about that, huh? A lot. Okay. I think I want to save some of the crab meat out for another purpose. Okay, that's good. I took like 1/4 of it out, okay? So we're working with 3/4 of that pound. Now you know when the shrimp turn orange, they're done, right? So you should definitely move them around so that they can all cook evenly. Okay, now I have my pan that I'm gonna put the seafood lasagna in. So I'm gonna turn the camera to the pan now. Okay, I hope you can see. Yep, you can see. Okay. So this is my cheese sauce that I made on a previous video. You can go over and check that out to learn how to make that. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some cheese sauce on the bottom, just like you would make regular lasagna with the spaghetti sauce. This is now cheese sauce because we're working with seafood, right? Okay, you want to make sure you coat the bottom good. Normally I would let the shrimp cook a few more seconds, but I'm not because I want to incorporate the shrimp in the lasagna and it's going to go in the oven. So I want it like 3/4 the way done, okay? Alright, so now I have oven ready lasagna, okay? That means you don't have to boil it. And you're just going to line this up at the bottom of the pan. I'll show you. Like so, okay? Okay. Now on the top of that, we're going to start out with, let's start out with our shrimp. Why not? So we're going to put the shrimp over the lasagna pasta. Make sure that they're spread out. And I'll show you that. Okay, see? Okay, so now we're gonna put our cheese over top of the shrimp. This is our Mexican blend cheese. Now we're going to put our cheese sauce on top of the cheese. And you get the idea. We're going to keep layering up like that. Okay, now we're going to put some more lasagna on. Okay, now we want to switch to the crab meat. You want to cover all the lasagna pasta. Okay. And that's only a half of the can, and I'm covered. You see that? Okay. So now we're gonna put some more cheese sauce on top of that. Okay, and let me wash my hands to get my cheese. Okay, now we're going to put the Mexican blend cheese on top of the cheese sauce and the crab meat. Okay, now we're going to put the shrimp. Actually, I'm going to put my other noodles. No, actually, I want the shrimp next. I got confused, guys. Okay, let me find some place for this one to go. Okay, and let me just show you that. Look at that. See? Okay, so now I want to put my last lasagna pasta on. Okay, and I want to alternate that one. There we go. Okay, and then the last of the sauce. Okay, now we're going to put our last layer of cheese. Oh, let me show you that. I'm sorry. I like to show you all the way. So you see? Alright, so now we're going to put our last layer of Mexican blend cheese on the top. Okay. So let me show you that. How about that, huh? Nice. Now the only other thing that you have to do with this oven ready lasagna is you do have to pour a little bit of water over the top and then cover it with aluminum foil to make steam, okay? So we're going to do that. So I have 3/4 of a cup of water. I'm not sure I'm going to use it all or not. We'll see. No, I only used a half of a 4-ounce cup of water, okay? Alright, now I want to get my aluminum foil. I'm going to cook this in the oven on 375. Okay, and I'll see you in, I'm thinking that this is going to cook for about 40 minutes. Okay, I'll see you in 40 minutes. Thank you. Okay, guys. The seafood lasagna is out. You like that? Oh, beautiful. How about that? And let me get a thumbnail picture. Look at that. Cool, huh? Okay. Hit the like button if you like it. Subscribe. Check out the links below. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.